Hey friends, if you are receiving Social Security, disability, or other government benefits, this video is for you. Big news is coming, and you now have only a short window to prepare for it. The first phase of the Trump rebate check is officially starting, and if you qualify, this could mean an extra $2,000 directly to your pocket. But here's the thing. It's not automatic for everyone. You need to understand who qualifies, when the payments are arriving, and exactly what steps you must take right now to ensure you don't miss out. We're talking about a time-sensitive opportunity, and missing a detail could cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So, take a deep breath, grab a notepad, and let's break down everything you need to know to be ready. The information I'm about to give you is based on the latest updates from the Treasury Department, the Social Security Administration, and recent legislation introduced by Congress. Everything here is accurate, verified, and actionable because your money matters, and being prepared is the key to maximizing your benefits. First, let's clarify who is eligible. Seniors on Social Security, people receiving SSDI, and families on supplemental security income are included. The rebate check is designed to reach everyone with demonstrated income below $100,000 for individuals and $200,000 for married couples, based on your most recent tax filings. This means that most Americans on fixed incomes are included, even if you haven't filed taxes for the previous year due to low or no earned income. If you're already on government benefits, the good news is that these payments are being coordinated with Social Security to ensure that eligible recipients are automatically identified, but you still need to double-check your eligibility and ensure your direct deposit or mailing address is updated. The amount for the first phase is $2,000 per eligible adult, with additional payments for dependents. A family of 4, for example, would receive $8,000 if they meet the eligibility criteria. These are real dollars meant to help with rising costs, bills, and essential expenses, especially as inflation has impacted many households over the past year. Now, let's talk about timing, because this is critical. The first phase is expected to begin in the next few weeks, but the exact dates can vary based on processing at the Treasury and the SSA. That means you need to prepare now. Ensure your banking information is correct, your current address is up to date with the SSA, and any income information that might affect eligibility is reported accurately. If you delay, you risk missing the first wave of payments, and while they may still issue your rebate later, the convenience of the first phase can't be overstated. Next, let's review what this means for your monthly budget. If you're already relying on Social Security or disability benefits to cover rent, groceries, utilities, or medications, an extra $2,000 can make a meaningful difference. But you need to plan wisely. The rebate isn't meant to replace ongoing income. It's intended as supplemental support. That's why it's critical to create a budget for how to use it effectively, whether that's paying down debt, covering essential expenses, or saving a portion for upcoming bills. For those of you on Social Security, you may also notice that your regular benefits are receiving a small cost of living adjustment. While the COLA increase is modest, around 2.8%, the Trump rebate check is separate and designed to give additional financial relief. So even if the COLA doesn't cover rising costs, this rebate acts as a real boost. For people on SSDI, the first phase payment is especially important. Your benefits tend to be lower than retirement benefits, and every dollar matters when covering necessities like prescription medications, transportation, and daily living costs. This $2,000 can be the difference between covering your expenses comfortably or having to make tough choices. Now, let's make sure we're clear about eligibility again, because there are a few important nuances. You are eligible if your income is below the stated limits, which is based on total household income, including Social Security, SSDI, pensions, and other forms of taxable income. Dependents are included, so if you have children under 17 or qualifying dependents older than that under certain circumstances, your family could receive additional payments. However, if your income exceeds these limits, your eligibility could be reduced or phased out entirely. This is why accurate reporting is crucial. The administration has emphasized that the payments are intended for those who truly need the support, but they also want to ensure that the process is streamlined and fast for those who qualify. Now, some of you may be wondering, what about taxes? The first phase Trump rebate check is not taxable. That's right. The IRS has confirmed that these funds are considered a rebate, not income, meaning you do not owe federal taxes on this money. You also do not need to include it on your tax return. That makes it much simpler to use these funds where you need them most without worrying about giving a portion back to the government. Here's the catch, though. While the rebate is not taxable, it may affect eligibility for other means-tested programs. For example, if you're receiving certain state benefits that consider lump sum funds in their calculations, it's important to report your rebate properly to avoid unintended impacts. That's why you should contact your program administrator if you have any concerns. Next, let's walk through what you must do right now to ensure you get your payment in the first phase. Step 1. Check your SSA account at ssa.gov. Make sure your banking information and mailing address are current. Step 2. Verify your income information. If you have had any changes in income that might affect eligibility, report them now. Step 3. Ensure your dependents are properly listed in your records, especially if you're claiming children or qualifying relatives. Step 4. Set reminders for when the payment is expected to hit your account so you can track it. And finally, Step 5. Plan ahead for how you will use the rebate once it arrives. This is critical. Many people make the mistake of spending it all at once without considering bills that are coming due in the next few months. By planning ahead, you can maximize the impact of this financial boost. Now, let's address a question I see in the comments all the time. Will everyone actually receive this money in the first phase? The honest answer is no. While the administration is prioritizing automatic distribution to eligible Social Security and SSDI recipients, processing takes time. Some households may receive their payments slightly later than others, depending on verification steps and banking updates. So even if you meet all eligibility criteria, it's important to stay patient but also proactive in checking your account information. Another common question is whether this rebate replaces existing benefits. It does not. This is in addition to your regular Social Security, SSDI, or SSI payments. It's designed as a supplemental payment to help Americans deal with inflation and rising costs. That means your regular benefits continue unchanged, and this rebate is truly extra. For families, it's important to note that each qualifying member counts separately. For example, 2 parents and 2 children could mean 4 separate payments, totaling $8,000. That could cover multiple months of groceries or utility bills, or even be used to reduce credit card debt or medical expenses. Speaking of medical expenses, many Americans on fixed incomes are seeing rising costs for prescriptions, Medicare premiums, and health insurance. The Trump rebate check can help offset some of these increases. Even a few $100s applied to copays or medications can make a real difference in quality of life. Let's also talk about how this impacts those who are still working while receiving Social Security. If you earn income above certain thresholds, you need to be mindful that your regular benefits may be reduced. However, the rebate check is separate and does not count toward earnings limits, so it won't affect your benefits. That's important because some recipients might worry that receiving this extra payment could trigger a reduction, but that is not the case. The rebate is designed to support you without penalties. Another point to consider is veterans and caregivers. If you receive VA benefits alongside Social Security, the rebate check applies to your Social Security portion and does not affect your VA disability payments. For caregivers receiving benefits for taking care of children or relatives, the payment is treated the same way as for other eligible recipients. Everyone who qualifies should get it, and it's a one-time supplemental boost intended to help families manage daily expenses. Now, some people ask about future phases. The administration has indicated that the first phase is just the beginning. While exact dates and amounts for subsequent phases have not been finalized, getting prepared and receiving your first payment ensures you are positioned for any future disbursements. That's why acting now is so critical. Finally, let's talk strategy. You've received the good news. The first phase is starting, and you may qualify for up to $2,000. Here's what you need to do to make the most of it. Track your eligibility, double-check your SSA and bank accounts, ensure your dependents are properly listed, plan your budget, and consider applying for additional assistance programs if needed. By taking these steps, you maximize the benefit of this rebate and protect yourself from any delays or issues. Remember, this is your money, and being informed is the best way to ensure it works for you. So, friends, don't wait. The first phase of the Trump rebate check is starting. Eligibility is broad, and the steps you take now will make sure you don't miss out. This is real, actionable, and time-sensitive, so pay attention, prepare, and be ready. By following these guidelines, You can make sure that when the money arrives, it supports your household exactly where it's needed most. You've got this. Keep track, stay informed, and take action now. Everyone watching this video has the power to make the next few weeks count, and when the first phase hits, you'll be ahead of the curve, ready to use your rebate wisely and supported through 2026 with a little extra financial relief. This is not speculation. This is the official first phase of the Trump rebate check, verified through government sources and designed to help Americans just like you. The clock is ticking, so act now. Update your information, track your eligibility, and be prepared to receive the funds. You deserve this, and by taking these steps, you'll ensure that the money is used in the best way possible for you and your family. Stay organized, stay informed, and take control. The first phase is here, it's real, and it's ready to help. You're not alone in this, and by acting now, you can be among the first to benefit. Don't wait. Don't assume someone else will handle it, and don't delay. Take charge, follow the steps, and get ready for your Trump rebate check first phase payment. Your preparation now guarantees that when the money comes, it goes exactly where it should, supporting your needs, your household, and giving you a boost you truly deserve. This is your moment, your opportunity, and the time to act is today. Be ready, be informed, and make this first phase count.